Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in agricultural science, we are going to be looking at farm records. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science it's on farm records. Okay? So are you ready for today's lesson? You are, right? Good. First, we're going to be looking at the meaning of farm records. Farm records are essential documents and data kept by farmers to track and manage various aspects of their farming operations. These records provide valuable information that helps farmers make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and achieve long-term success in agriculture. Okay, do we understand? Farm records are like keeping track of important information on the farm. Do we understand that? Farm records are like keeping track of important information on your farm. Okay? So next we are going to be looking at types of farm records kept in the farm. Okay? Types of farm record kept in the farm. 1. Financial records. Financial records are vital for tracking income and expenses related to farming activities. These records include invoices, receipts, income statements, and balance sheets, which help farmers assess their profitability and manage their budgets effectively. Financial records. These records are like a money diary for the farm, okay? You write down how much you spend on seeds, tools, and other things, and also how much money you make from selling your crops or animals. Okay? Do we understand? Another type of farm record kept in the farm, production records. Production records capture data on crop yields, livestock production, and other output related information. Farmers use these records to monitor the performance of their crops and animals, assess productivity, and plan for future production. Production records, they help you keep track of how much food you make on the farm. Okay? Okay? Production records help you keep score by showing how many vegetables, fruits, or eggs you produce. These records help you see if you are doing well, and if not, you can figure out how to do better next time. Okay? Do we understand? Production records help you keep track of what's growing on your farm. You write down when you planted, when you expect to harvest, and how much you will get. It keeps track of the performance of your crops and animals, okay? 3. Inventory records. Inventory records track the quantity and value of inputs and assets on the farm, such as seeds, fertilizers, machinery, and livestock. These records assist in inventory management, preventing wastage, and optimizing resource allocation. This is like making a list of everything you have on your farm, like seeds, animals, tractors. It helps you know what you have and what might need replacing. Okay? Do we understand that? Inventory records are like making a shopping list for your farm, but in reverse. Instead of what you need to buy, it's about keeping track of what you already have on your farm. Okay? They help you know how many seeds, tools, and animals you already have so you don't buy too much or too little. Okay? So this record help you not waste things and manage your farm stuff better. Okay? Good. Weather and climate records. Monitoring weather and climate conditions is crucial for farming. Keeping records of temperature, rainfall, and other environmental factors can help farmers make weather-informed decisions and adapt their farming practices accordingly. In this record, you note down what the weather is like each day. Okay? Weather and climate records. You note down what the weather is like each day. This helps you see if the weather is good for your plants or animals. Do we understand? Pest and disease records. Tracking the occurrence of pests and diseases in crops and livestock is essential for disease management and prevention. These records aid in identifying patterns and implementing control measures. Okay? If there are any bugs or diseases hurting your plants or animals, you write it down. This helps you figure out how to stop them. Okay? Do we understand? So if there are any bugs or diseases hurting your plants or animals, you write it down. This will help you figure out how to stop them. Okay? Labor and workforce records. Labor records document the activities, hours, and wages of farm workers. They assist in managing labor costs and ensuring fair compensation for farm employees. Do you understand? Labor and workforce records keep track of the people who work on the farm, what they do, and how much they get paid. Okay? You keep track of the labor activities, what they do on the farm, and how much they get paid. Okay? So these are the types of farm records kept in farm. Do we understand? The types of farm records kept in the farm we mentioned: financial records, production records, inventory records, weather and climate records, pest and disease records, and labor and workforce records, right? So these records help you be a better farmer and take care of your farm. It's like keeping notes for your farm adventures. Do we understand? So we now know the different types of farm records kept in the farm, right? Good. So next we're going to be looking at the importance of farm records. Why is farm records important? 1. Smart choices. Farm records help you make wise decisions about your crops and animals. It's like having a map for your farm journey. Okay? Farm records help you make smart choices about what to plant and how to take care of your farm. Okay? Farm records help you make smart decisions about what to grow, how much to spend, and when to plant and harvest. Okay? Money lessons. They teach you about money, how much you spend, and how much you earn on the farm. It's like your farm's piggy bank. So, farm records teach you about money. You learn how much money you make and spend on the farm. Okay? Being responsible. Keeping records make you a responsible farmer. You will learn to take care of your farm properly, like a good shepherd for your animals. So keeping records makes you a responsible farmer. You will learn to take care of your farm like a pro. Do you understand? So record keeping encourages responsibility in farm management. Okay? Goals and dreams. You can set goals for your farm, like growing more corn. Farm records help you reach those goals. So you can set goals for your farm. I want to grow more corn this year. You record, and these records help you achieve those goals. Do we understand that? You can set goals for your farm, like growing more corn, and farm records help you to reach those goals. Okay? Learning and improving. By looking at your records, you can figure out what works best on your farm and how to make it even better. Maintaining farm records fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement in farm practices. Okay? Do you understand that? By looking at your records, you can learn how to do things better on your farm. Okay? Rules and laws. Farm records help you follow the rules and laws for farming. It's like following the road signs on your farm journey. Okay? So farm records help you follow the rules and laws for farming. So these are the importance of farm records. We understood, right? Farm records are important. They show you where you have been, where you are, and where you want to go as a farmer. Okay? So today's lesson on farm records, we understood everything. We talked about the meaning of farm records, types of farm records kept in the farm, right? And the importance of farm records. We understood everything. Good. So we're going to be looking at our assignment. Okay? Good.